there is this need for a greater focus on how to operationalize and productize trustworthy AI. When there is trust in an AI solution, you can accelerate your go-to-market, you can increase product adoption. A lot of the things that are essential for companies to create or invest in responsible, safe AI are things that product people already do. I believe that what we need to see more of is a focus on discovering the trustworthiness characteristics that matter to end users. And what I want to do is to help people understand how to decode the type of trust that their product needs, that their users or their customers of their product need in order to adopt.